Ready to transform boring data into captivating stories that drive decisions? Let's unlock the power of Tableau together. First, connect to your data. Tableau works with everything from Excel spreadsheets to cloud databases. Just click on the data source you want to use from the left-hand panel and follow the prompts to connect. For this tutorial, we are going to connect to a sample Excel sheet. Once connected, Tableau displays your data. Drag and drop the tables you need into the canvas to define your data model. Ensure the relationships between tables are properly defined for accurate analysis. Now, for the magic, drag and drop fields from the data pane on the left to the rows and columns shelves to create your first chart. For example, drag category to columns and sales to rows to create a bar chart showing sales by category. Explore different chart types using the Show Me menu in the upper right corner. Tableau will suggest the best visualizations based on the data you've selected. Try a scatter plot, a line chart, or even a map. Create interactive dashboards by dragging and dropping multiple visualizations onto the canvas. Add filters to allow users to explore the data dynamically. Simply drag fields onto the filters shelf and customize the filter options. Dive deeper with calculated fields. Create new metrics and dimensions based on your existing data. Using formulas, go to Analysis and select Create Calculated Field. Then, write your formula and give it a name. Remember, effective visualization is key. Choose clear color palettes, use appropriate fonts, and ensure your dashboard layout is easy to understand. Consistent design ensures insights are delivered to stakeholders clearly. Finally, share your insights. Publish your dashboards to Tableau Public, Tableau Server, or Tableau Online to collaborate with others and make data-driven decisions together.